Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Wi-Fi not showing on your Windows 11 after updates. So this often happen when you update your Windows 11. The Wi-Fi here is disabled or not showing. In order to fix that, you can go to the service. You can type service in here and try to search a WLAN here. Here, WLAN auto config. You can double click, here the startup type, use the automatic one and apply, so you can restart your PC after that. And also you can try to fix your in device manager, try to search your network adapters. Here I'm using the USB dongle as my Wi-Fi adapter, and you can update the driver here. And then again restart your computer or PC, and again you can go to Windows Explorer. You can try to go to the C folder, Windows, and you can search software distribution here, double click and delete all the updates here, all the files in here. Try to delete it and restart your PC. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and subscribe to the button below. See you.